BTS's Jin's achievements and leadership continue to attract attention, even during his military service. This time, Jin has been invited as the keynote speaker at a very special welcoming event for the South Korean Minister of Defense. The event aims to welcome the newly appointed Minister of Defense and to celebrate the important role that soldiers play in keeping the country safe. Jin was deemed the perfect person to give an inspirational speech at the event. In his speech, Jin highlighted the importance of discipline, togetherness, and passion in serving in the military. He shared his personal experiences during military duty and how they have shaped him as a better individual. "Our achievements in keeping this country safe are very important, and they can only be accomplished through strong discipline and solid teamwork," Jin said. "Military duty is an experience that teaches us to unite for a greater cause." Jin also underlined the importance of support from family, friends, and fans. He expressed his gratitude for the support he received during his military service. The defense minister's welcoming ceremony was attended by military officials, Jin's fellow soldiers, and specially invited guests, including BTS fans. Jin received a standing ovation and overwhelming appreciation after his speech was over. The decision to make Jin the keynote speaker at the defense minister's welcome event was a clear testament to the positive influence and appreciation he has received, even during his military duties. It also confirms that the members continue to act as inspirers and leaders in various aspects of life. Currently, Jin and the other members of BTS continue to serve their military duties with strong determination. Even though they are facing tough challenges, their passion and dedication to their duty continues to inspire many. BTS's fans are patiently waiting for their return to the music scene while continuing to give them strong support. Jin's participation as the keynote speaker at the South Korean defense minister's welcoming ceremony during his military service is a true testament to his positive influence. His inspiring speech about discipline, teamwork, and morale in the military served as motivation for his fellow soldiers and invited guests. This decision also reflects that BTS members continue to play an important role in various aspects of life, even when they are serving in the military. Jin remains a respected figure who is trusted to deliver important and inspiring messages. Currently, Jin and the rest of the members are serving their military duties with determination, and their passion and dedication continue to inspire people around the world.